This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your MacBook Air. Running mobile games on a desktop requires a special tool called an emulator. These programs essentially create a virtual Android phone on your computer, allowing you to install and play your favorite mobile titles. We will explore the best options available, such as BlueStacks and Nox Player, and guide you through the setup process step by step to get you into the game quickly. Choosing the right emulator is your first crucial step. BlueStacks is widely popular for its ease of use and solid performance, making it a great choice for most players. Nox Player, on the other hand, offers more advanced customization features for those who like to fine-tune their experience. Always download your chosen emulator's installer directly from its official website to ensure security and the latest version. Once your emulator is installed, launch it and complete the initial setup, which usually involves signing in with your Google account. This step is essential as it grants you access to the virtual Google Play Store. From there, simply use the search bar to find PUBG Mobile and click Install. The game will download and install within the emulator, just like on a smartphone. To enhance your PUBG Mobile experience, optimize your settings. Adjust the in-game graphics to balance visual quality with smooth frame rates, especially on a MacBook Air. Crucially, customize your keyboard and mouse controls within the emulator's settings for precise aiming and movement. For optimal performance, ensure your MacBook Air has at least 8 GB of RAM and a stable internet connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.